DJM TV.
Doves of peace no gree fly for Armed Forces Remembrance Day. My sabi person I hello. I welcome una to DJM TV daily news update where we dey give una the hot and sharp stories dem wey dey happen for the country. Armed Forces Remembrance Day na the day wey government set aside every year make country people take dey remember military men and women wey don cross go the other side inside the Nigeria Civil War wey end for 1970. On this day, dem dey showcase the lineup of boots and hats of soldiers to represent the one wey don kick bucket in service to Nigeria. As part of the things to mark the day, every year the president go come lay down flower wreaths to honour the fallen heroes. Also, various leaders of Nigeria, from the president to the vice president to the senate president, speaker of House of Assembly and speaker of House of Rep and the chief justice of Nigeria, they usually gather for the Eagle Square for Abuja with other military personnel to observe parade wey dem dey organize to honour the military men and women. As dem dey do their own for Abuja there, for various states, the governors, the speaker of the House of Assembly, deputy governors dem go still gather with the head of the military organizations for that state to do the same thing for their arcade for the state capital. This year own not different at all, as we see say the president also lay im own flower wreath at the foot of the unknown soldier. But before he go do this one, the president, the vice president, the senate president, speaker of House of Rep and even the chief justice of Nigeria, all of them dey march together with the army officials dem wey dey call form line. Dem dey call blow the bugle. That bugle signify say dem dey summon those guys there wey don cross go the other side. Dem make dem come, and then once they come, this head of services dem for Nigeria don come begin present the flower wreath to the president, the vice president and even the chief justice of Nigeria and the rest people dey wey dey for the line to go lay their own flower wreath at the foot of the unknown soldier. So this year, as president lay im own, even our vice president Professor Yemi Osinbajo, he also lay im own wreath too at the foot of the unknown soldier. But wetin many people come talk about be say, yes, government dey do all this one, they do Armed Forces Remembrance Day. What about the ones that wey still dey this side? They dey take care of them. They give them enough ammunition, enough things wey they need to take fight the insurgency wey dey for the country. They take care of their families well. What about the ones wey be like say they still dey forest, they fight kidnappers, militants and all of them? How well government dey take care of all these people? These na many questions when Nigerians dey ask the government. They say this dey not be only to just remember the ones that wey don cross. This dey na also to make government to also remember their responsibilities towards the ones that wey still dey life here. Make dem remember say they need to take care of these people well. Because if you not take care of these people well, they're not going to even get the zeal to pay the ultimate price, as they call her, for their military terms. And aside paying the ultimate price, they say if government not take care of the military people where they this side way, the force no go dey appealing to young men and women wey want join. People no go want like to join military service sake of say don't say government dey take care of the people well. Why them go join this military parastatus? When one news person go ask some soldiers them how they go like make government dey celebrate the Armed Forces Remembrance Day, some of them answer like this. One of them say make the families of the soldiers dem wey don cross and those wey they never still see, make government give the family the compensation at least once every Armed Forces Remembrance Day. That's once a year. Make dem dey compensate the family. That's every year. The another one to say, for your own opinion, in appreciation to your own service, make government do National Hall of Fame, where all those wey don serve the country, their name they go write out with their picture for there. Then in terms of
DJM TV.
welfare. He say make government get post housing scheme for members of the armed forces and made available even to those wey be say dem no get godfather for the armed forces dem. Then he say lastly make government make dem do a military discount for all shopping malls so that at least when you go buy anything you go get like 10% off the price of that. He say na so they do military personnel there for UK. Another one say appreciation is enough. He say because no amount of gift and cash go fit cover for their sleepless night and the cold night and the scorching weathers dem when they dey face in devotion to the country. Another one say make dem recognize them by sharing their story and by showing them some love, and say by saying thanks from the bottom of your heart, by fixing up a soldier's home. Say that the way we say Nigeria to fit say remember the force. Well, the main matter wey call happen for this year Armed Force Remembrance Day be say e get one part of the tradition for the Armed Force Remembrance Day wey they always dey do. That tradition be say they go always release doves wey be symbol of peace and unity for the country. Symbol of peace since after the civil war they dey always release doves. But this year when they release the dove there, something happen. My people, e no be small thing. The thing surprise everybody. The dove dem no gree fly oo, dem no gree fly. They do for where president do for where the dove dem no gree fly. Make una see am for una sef.
Birds of pigeon, they are birds of peace. Immaculate, always whitish. You can see they fly high and show that our great nation Nigeria is in absolute harmony, unfettered. Peace all over, in spite of insurgency, herdsmen, kidnapping. The nation is closely integrated and living in peace. We will see the birds of pigeon, they fly high soon, signifying we can see them. There they go. There they go. Put your hands together if you will, please. Put your hands together. No? There they go. Anything whitish is...
Una don see am. As our president open the bird cage, even pick up one of the bird, throway am for air, make the bird fly. The bird no gree fly. He land on top of the cage. He say no dey go anywhere o. Some Nigerians don react. They believe say this bird wey no gree fly so na reflection of the state of the nation. After all, when the same thing happen to our former president Goodluck Jonathan for 2014, one of our spiritual fathers for the country talk say a dove refusing to fly na indication say God don abandon our president that time. So wetin we go come talk for this one now wey be say the thing don happen? Many people don react. Oga Rino Mokri, he don still react. He don put him own. He not be small thing. He talk say he call dem plenty name. He say I would expect the dove of peace to fly wey be like say peace no dey for the country. Well, all those are their opinion. Wetin be your opinion about these birds dem wey no gree fly for the Armed Forces Remembrance Day? Make you no forget to like and to share this video. Comment, we dey read your comment. I still una get una sister wey dey bring una this author gist every day. Lawuro Favour reporting for DJM TV News.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM